Students, welcome to Max class. See exponents continuation class. See here more about exponents. See first formula a into b whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of n into b to the power of n. Next example. See here a value 3, b value 2 take 3 into 2 whole to the power of equal to 3 to the power of 4 into 2 to the power of 4. Next second formula a by b whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of n by b to the power of n. Example 5, 5 by 2 whole to the power of 2 equal to 5 to the power of 2 by 2 to the power of 2. Next, one more example. 5 to the power of 7 by 3 to the power of minus 4 whole to the power of minus 3 equal to, see here 5 to the power of 7 into minus 3 divided by 3 to the power of minus 4 into minus 3. Next, 5 to the power of plus into minus minus 7 3 is 21 plus, minus into minus plus 3 to the power of 4, 4 3 is 12. Next, third point, a to the power of 0 equal to 1 if a not equal to 0 is satisfied. Example, see a value 5 take 5 to the power of 0 equal to 1, 9 to the power of 0 equal to 1, minus 8 whole to the power of 0 equal to 1. Any number power 0 equal to 1, that is the formula. Next, fourth point, a to the power of minus m equal to, see here minus power minus m is there, it will become numerator, denominator, minus will become plus, that's why a to the power of minus m equal to 1 by a to the power of m, and a to the power of plus m equal to 1 by a to the power of minus m if a not equal to 0. Example, to a plus 2 take 2 to the power of minus 3 value 1 by 2 to the power of 3, minus will become plus here. Next, 5 to the power of power plus 7, it will come means will change the symbol, plus will become minus, that's why 5 to the power of 7 equal to 1 by 5 to the power of minus 7. Next point, n to the power of root a equal to, see here a power no one is not there means 1 that value. So a to the power of here power this number 1 divided by here which number is there, that one it will come. So nth root of a equal to a to the power of 1 by n. And nth root of a to the power of m. See here power m is there, that's why it will come numerator, divided by here which number is there, that is it will come. So nth root of a to the power of m equal to a to the power of m divided by n. Next example, see square root of 5. Square root of 5 meaning what? Here square root means here 2 is there. So here power 1 is there. So 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Here this formula apply here. So 5 to the power of root 5 value 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Next see 6th root of 5 to the power of 7. So here power 7 is there. That's why 5 to the power of here 7 divided by here 6 is there. That's why it will come here 6. 6th root of 5 to the power of 7 equal to 5 to the power of 7 by 6. Next, minus a whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m. When if m is even number, minus a whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m. Example, see here minus 5 whole to the power of 4 take power, even power is there, that's why it will come 5 to the power of 4. Why? Because of see minus 5 whole to the power of 4 we can write 4 times power 4 is there means, that's why minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. See here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, again minus into minus plus, that's why plus 5 to the power of 4. Next point, if m is odd, minus a whole to the power of m equal to minus a whole to the power of m. See here if m is odd means example, see here m value 3 here power, odd number we took, minus 5 whole to the power of 3 equal to, see here minus 5 we can write minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, 3 times multiplied 5, that's why see here if power 3 is odd number, that's why here it came minus. See minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, that's why here minus came. So minus 5 whole to the power of 3 equal to answer minus 5 to the power of 3. Next one example I will explain problem. Next first one, 4 to the power of 3 by 2 into 125 whole to the power of minus 2 by 3. See here answer 4 we can write to 2 square. 4 we can write 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 into 125 we can write 5 to the power of cube whole to the power of 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Next see here 2 square, here formula that first more about exponents, first formula apply here. 2 to the power of 2 into 3 by 2 into 5 to the power of 3 into minus 2 by 3. Next, here see, here 2 to cancel, remaining is what, 2 to the power of 3 into, here 3 cancel, remaining 5 to the power of minus 2. Next, 2 cube into 5 to the power of minus 2, it will come 1 by 5 square. Next, 2 cube by 5 square, 2 cube we can write 2 into 2 into 2, 5 square we can write 5 into 5. Next, see, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, divided by 5 5 ja 25. So answer is that is. Thank you.